Young Earth creationists want to say our population would be off the charts if the Earth was old. So they take the population today of about 7.3 billion and keep dividing it by 2 until they get nearly 8. This takes between 29 and 30 divisions by 2, 29.77 to be precise. They take the years since the alleged flood that left 8 people alive and divide it by 29.77. Since it's 2015 CE and the alleged flood occurred in 2348 BCE, that means the alleged flood was approximately 4,363 years ago. 4,363 divided by 29.77 is approximately 146.6. Most of them round this to 150 years. So let's use the more accurate figure of every 146.6 years the population doubles. Moses' time is estimated to be around 1400 BCE at the latest. This is about 950 years after the alleged flood that left 8 people. If you take 950 years divided by 146.6, that would be 6.48 doublings. 2 to the power of 6.48 is 89.3. So the world's population in Moses' time would be 89.3 times the 8 people, which is approximately 714 people. If we use the 150-year estimate that a lot of the creationists use, that would give us only 645 people. Exodus 12, verse 37. That night the people of Israel left Ramses and started for Succoth. There were about 600,000 men, plus all of the women and the children. This is from the New Living Translation. Awkward on a planet with only 714 people. Maybe Moses came on the scene later, assuming 1 woman for every Israelite man, and 1 child for every Israelite man, and 1 Egyptian for every Israelite, and no one else in the entire world, a very low estimate indeed. For each Israelite man we have himself, plus a woman, plus a child, plus 3 Egyptians, a total of 6 people, and the world's population would be 3.6 million people, the 600,000 men times 6. Starting with 8 people, you would have to double 18.78 times to get that population. This can be calculated by taking 3.6 million divided by 8, taking that result's logarithm, and dividing that by the logarithm of 2. So we have 18.78 doublings times 146.6 years per doubling, or approximately 2,753 years after Noah would be the estimate for when Moses arrived on the scene. So, since the flood was allegedly in 2348 BCE, and we have to add 2,753 years to that to get to Moses' time, that leaves Moses' time at 405 CE, which the creationists call AD, which is 372 years after Jesus allegedly died on the cross. Since the Bible has Moses on the scene long before Jesus, and young Earth population math predicts the opposite, one can say creationist math is an oxymoron. Reality trumps mythology.